In this video you will learn how to install Loklok on Google TV or Android TV, enable unknown sources on your Google TV or Android TV, go to Settings, Device Preferences, Security and Restrictions, then enable unknown sources for the browser and file manager you will use. Open the browser on your TV, launch a browser such as Chrome or Puffin on your TV, then prepare to download the APK file. Download the Loklok APK. Search for the latest Loklok APK, then download it directly on your TV. Locate your downloaded file. Use your TV file manager or the browser download section to file the APK file. Install the APK. Click the file, then confirm your permissions and install the Loklok on your TV. Launch Loklok app. Go to the apps on your TV or open Loklok, then start streaming. Now you know how to install the Loklok on Google TV or Android TV. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.